Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going through my curly hair journey. I've seen a lot of curly haired YouTubers basically do this, and I always was inspired because my hair has gone through drastic changes where my hair looks straight to in between to finally curly, and of course this is from baby stage all the way until now, which I'm kind of surprised but also very happy the way my hair has turned out. I'm super excited and I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I was a bald little baby, so my story begins when I was a baby and I had absolutely no hair on my head. But as the years went by and I became older and I was about a toddler, here's a little photo that I have, and basically I have curly little hair. Obviously as a young toddler you don't have to take care of your hair, your mom basically does it for you. So basically I didn't do anything with my hair, but this is where it all started because this is when I actually started growing curly hair. And as I went older, from my little age, from being a little, cutie with messy hair and bob hair, I basically didn't do anything with it. And then this is when I was way older, when I was in middle school. And I basically, if you look at the roots, my hair looked straight a lot. Like, it looked straight a whole lot. And then getting older, my hair was literally a frizz bomb. You can see it. And I'm very disappointed because I didn't know what to do with it at all. And then getting older, this was not half of a bad hair day. This was pretty bad. So I didn't know what to do with it. I didn't know what products to use. I had absolutely no idea. And I just basically had to do some research. And in those time, I went from, my hair having to put it up in a bun a lot because I really didn't know what to do with it, and there were so many bad hair days, to actually defining it, but then losing the volume at the top of my head. And then now, my hair has gotten better. It's not as flat at the roots. Of course, this photo didn't show the roots, so unfortunately I can't show you that. But my hair isn't half bad. It's definitely maintained, and now, my hair is just, normal now. Like, it has those ringlets, and it's more defined, and that is a bigger picture of what my hair really looks like, and, just the curls. So, basically, that is my hair, and, I'm very proud of how long it took and how much effort it did take to get to this stage in life. But honestly, I'll give advice to any curly person. Don't ever give up on your hair, even if when it seems hard. Never give up. As I grew older, I realized, and I did my research, which when you do your research, you learn about the curly girl method. Other people have done don't like the curly haired method, and they have just so many information, you feel so overwhelmed. But the fact is, you have to suit what's best for your hair needs. Hair grow in the best form and fashion it can be in. And so if that means you don't follow, another person's advice, that is okay. Because if you're constantly looking for another person for their hair advice, although it's totally different, drastically different than your own, you're not going to learn much about your own hair and how to take care of it as the best possible you can. I don't like going for very cheap, super cheap brands. You kind of need an in-between where it works perfectly and it's not too pricey and it's not too cheap. I mean, people love cheap, but if it mirrors the product, how much you paid, it's not worth it. In the end, you're actually losing your money rather than gaining. Just staying in tune with your naturally curly hair. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and all that jazz. Peace out.
I could deny you, I could strive.